How to enable auto closing bracket in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now tap on settings again. Now we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options that are available. Now slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called auto bracket. So slowly scroll down until you find it. So this is the place right here. This is the place where you'll be able to find auto closing brackets. Now here you can even select the customization. Here you can select language defined, always or never. So it's according to you. So make sure that it will make the work efficient and help you in coding too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.